I'm just gonna let the food do the talking. Hey, what do you say? My Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Google Plus, your sister's ass, the Pony Express, Vic Dibitetto here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Providence, Rhode Island. 2 sold-out shows last night at the Comedy Connection. 2 more sold-out shows tonight at the Comedy Connection. I go home tomorrow morning. But during the day, I get crazy. I get claustrophobic. I got to get out and about and experience what each town is about. So come on, let's go check out Providence, Rhode Island. Here I am in Providence, Rhode Island. That's my hotel. And we're going to take a walk to the Providence River, which is right across the street. Nice little pathway. Get some fresh air. Clear my head for tonight. Beautiful how the sun reflects on the Providence River. Wonder how many monsters were buried in this fucking river. We go down to the river, and into the river we dive. Oh, down to the river we drive. Then I got Lucy pregnant, and man, she was 26. And for my 60th birthday, I got my AARP card and the morning shits. All right, I can't sing. That's why I do comedy. Come on, let's go get something to eat. Whenever I come to Providence, Rhode Island, I gotta stop on Federal Hill at Wells Avenue. The Little Italy.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
I know where it is. You don't gotta tell me. I'm gonna check out Constantino's. I'm not gonna say a word. I'm just gonna let the food do the talking. Oh boy. Now the food is gonna do some more talking. Holy shit.